Welcome to Ownprint. In this video, we'll talk about one of the most important parts of your success, choosing your niche. Your niche is simply the group of people you're creating products for. And getting it right makes everything else easier. Your designs, your listings, and your sales. But here's the good news. You don't have to get it perfect from day one. You'll usually discover what works through experimenting. And you're never locked in on one niche. You can sell to as many niches as you like, all from the same store. So let's look at where to start. Some niches are proven winners year after year. Things like birthdays, anniversaries, weddings, faith, zodiac signs, memorial and remembrance pieces, new baby and motherhood, graduations, sobriety and recovery milestones, and gifts for pet lovers. These are emotional, gift-driven moments, and that's exactly what personalized jewelry is made for. Now, here's the golden rule. Be specific. A broad niche is hard to win, but a specific one is much easier. So let's say you choose to create products for the birthdays niche. Instead of making a few generic birthday designs, you'd go deep and create designs for each milestone, a 16th, an 18th, a 21st, a 30th, and every big birthday in between. You'd do the same with anniversaries, designing for a 1st, a 10th, a 25th anniversary, and so on. And the same rule applies for pretty much every niche you'd pick. The reason this works is simple. Your customers, whenever they search for a product, they are very specific with their search terms. For example, if a husband is looking for a 10th anniversary personalized gift for his wife, he would search for something like 10th anniversary gift idea for wife. And by creating specific niche designs like the ones above, the chances that your product shows first in their results are much higher. So the more precisely your design matches what they're looking for, the more likely they are to buy. You can also make your designs personal in countless ways. Think fingerprints, paw prints, nose prints, names, dates, initials, portraits, or even a name written in another language. These small touches are what turn a design into a treasured keepsake. Now, let's talk about a hidden opportunity, untapped niches. These are the passions and symbols that mean the world to a certain group of people, even if they mean little to everyone else. Think of meaningful symbols, like a North Star, a compass, a tree of life, or a wave, each carrying its own deep personal meaning. And think of people deeply passionate about a hobby or a craft. Bird watchers, gardeners, hikers, surfers, musicians, insect enthusiasts, anime enthusiasts, fishermen, yoga lovers, coffee lovers, stargazers, sports fans, book lovers, and so many more. These buyers are often underserved, and they're incredibly loyal when they find a design that speaks to them. Less competition and a passionate audience. That's a powerful combination. So how do you find your niche? Look at what you're naturally drawn to, or the communities and passions you already understand. Pick one to start with. And here's a tip from experience. When you choose a niche, go deep. Create plenty of designs for that one audience first and really own it. Then, when you're ready, move on to the next. There's no limit to how far you can take it. So choose your first niche and start creating designs your customers will truly connect with.